Hi friends, today I am releasing video number 20. In my video number 18, I have shown you how to maintain books of accounts of a small businessman who is not maintaining sales or purchase register. In my video number 19, I have shown you how to convert sales register into a journal entry format. In my today's video, I will use the files which I have used in video number 18 and 19. I will append sales register which is prepared in a journal entry format below the daybook and generate a query and refresh my trial balance, and you will see all the entries of sales register will be appeared in the daybook, and effect of all the entries will come in a trial balance. So guys, watch this video till the end. So we have two files. I'm opening this first file. I'll check queries and connections. Now I will use data, get data from files from Excel work. Now I need to see where is my file is located. So the sales register is here. So I'm importing data is here, sales register. I'll use load to, and instead of loading I'll use create a connection. I'll say okay. Now my sales register query is ready. Now we'll use this sales register query and it will be appended below the daybook. Now I'll open this daybook query and I'll use append queries. My append query name will be sales register. I'll say okay. In sales register, one new column has inserted, so system has shown in a separate column. I'll move this reference before narration, and you can see all the entries of sales register are appearing below the daybook. I will close and load this file. My daybook is ready, and if I refresh this trial balance and close and load, if I see my trial balance total, it's tally, sum is showing 0. But there are few account heads which are new and not appeared in account master. So they appeared here. So we'll go to account master. We'll create a little gap in the account master and copy all the new heads. Copy, paste here. So we have loans and advances where we have given 69 as a loan and advances 65. So we'll give 64 for sundry debtors, then 64, 64, then 64, 64, 64 and 64. These are the liabilities. So we'll give number as 56. Then we have professional fees, which is income. So I'll give 1 to professional fees, and again I'll refresh the query. My trial balance is ready. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you.